that is our official room tour. Okay, so 2 queen size beds, very nice. And this room is one of the one that has been refurbished. Right off the bat, they've got a Mickey towel. Little letter there from the manager. Over here we've got some fun pictures. We've got a couple outlets with USB plugs, and then there's the lights. 2 more for this bed. Remote for the TV. Little notepad and pen. And then, of course, the Bible. And then that is the safe. So that's kind of cool. It's nice and big. You could definitely fit laptop, iPad, small purses, money, stuff like that. It's not super deep, but big enough. There is space under the beds, you can see, for packing away your suitcases. And then they have these little reading lights, one on each side of the headboard. And the beds are actually really tall, so kind of keep that in mind. They're pretty tall beds. Those doors, I don't know if they slide. We've got one connecting door with a full-length mirror. And then, hello, it's me. This is cute. Little hook there to hang stuff. And then cabinet space with Kleenexes. Lots of stuff. There's a hair dryer. Trash can, and then this is the closet. In the closet is an extra blanket, it looks like. Hangers, dry cleaning bag. There is your iron and ironing board. And then more storage. So that's really nice. Close that up. And these doors, they do move. They close so that you can have a little bit of privacy. Sink is a double sink with, of course, H2O products. Cooling gel, just what we need if I get a little too much sun. They've got a light up mirror. Oh, hi. And outlets. Here's the shower toilet combo with, again, a pocket door for privacy. In the shower, which the fan is automatic, but we have the H2O products that are the bigger size. A little shelf for your stuff that you bring along. Jen's favorite thing to see in a tub or shower, a shaving pedestal. It's a rain shower with handheld shower sprayer. And then, of course, that little button in the corner, that is for hanging your wet bathing suits or towels. So, nice size. It's cute. This is plastic, that's not glass. But that's very nice. And just a good overview. Lots of lighting around the mirrors. Lots of storage. There's storage space underneath there if you need it as well. So lots of stuff. Nice tall closet. And then we've got a countertop here with more plugs and USB ports. Nice big TV. Oh, we don't have the TV on.
We need to put Stacy on.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. It does tilt from side to side, so you can move it around like so. This is a connecting room. Yes. Do, do, Now we're really enjoying our time. We've got 6 drawers here that open up. Lots of stuff, lots of room to unpack. There is a trash can and recycling bin there with a nice little chair to sit on. You have a reading light here. And again, 2 more plugs and USB ports. Coffee cups, they have to-go and regular glassware. And then of course, regular cups and ice bucket for water and ice. They do have a Keurig here with Joffrey's, yes. And then twinning, coffee, sugar, cream, all that good stuff is in there. And then I'm pretty sure, yes, just as I thought, mini fridge. This is pretty good size. There's nothing in it, but we brought water and some snacks, so we'll put that in there. And it lights up, which is kind of cool. In the corner of the room, obviously you can see all of our stuff, but there is a nice chair next to the window. And then a poster. Nice window, here's the door, and then basically just turning around again, overview of the room.